If you like crochet braid, but you don't want to mess with synthetic hair, this is the right hair for you. You can leave your hair out, or you can just cover your entire hair with this hair. I got the hair from Ywigs. I'll make sure I link it in the description box. I am using 18-inch water curly. Ywigs sent 5 bundles, but I'm only using 4. This is how beautiful the hair looks like. It looks like human hair that you've conditioned, brushed, and air dried. This is how the hair looks straight out of the package. Very beautiful and super soft. The hair had no smell to it. When I pull, there's no shedding. Easy to install. So I'm going to show you how easily I install this hair under 2 hours. Her natural hair is very curly, especially if we use any product like EcoStyle gel or even water. Any products you put on this specific person's hair, it gets curly. So she decided to leave her edges out just to blend with the water curly hair from Ywigs. So that's the braid pattern that I did. I leave a little bit of her hair up front out and in the back as well, so she can pull it up in a ponytail like this. As you can see, you cannot really tell which one is the human hair and which one is her own hair. And we only use EcoStyle gel to make that happen. This is for her texture. If your texture cannot do that, just do a full head crochet with it. And the braid pattern, I kept it very simple. I only did 10 braids going straight back. Now that I'm done with the pattern, I tucked in the last cornrow. I'm using the Glam Natural Oil on her scalp. I've been using this oil for a while now. It's from a black-owned business. I'll make sure I link it in the description box. Once I put the oil on her scalp, I'm ready to crochet the extension. Once again, this is how the hair looks like straight out of the package. It looks like it's freshly washed. It's very soft with no smell. I'm holding 4 bundles. When you see 1 bundle, you would think it's not a lot of hair. Just open it up, you'll see. You get a lot of hair in 1 bundle, and you'll see at the end how full her hair is. When it comes to crocheting the hair, we have those strands in the middle, very easy to install. The only thing is, make sure that that loop, you use the entire strand to do the loop. Make sure you don't have the extension at the root. This is exactly what I meant when I said use the strand to create that loop. See, the crochet hair is not on her scalp, only the strand. When you do that, the hair stay locked in. It won't come out. But if you don't do it the right way, when you start brushing this human hair, because it's human hair, you can brush it, put water on it, put products on it. Once you start manipulating your hair and you start pulling, some may come out. So just make sure you crochet it the right way. Do not have that hair right up the roots. The strands, yes, but not the hair itself. Use the strand to create the loop, and you only need to loop it once when you do that. I'm using the EcoStyle gel right here, and you see how curly her hair is turning? This goes for her texture. If you're not sure that yours can do that, before you install the hair, use curly hair products on your own natural hair, and then place the extension close to your hair to see if it matches first. If it matches, that means you can have leave out. If it doesn't match, meaning your hair didn't curl the way the water curly looks, do a full head crochet and just do the invisible technique in the front. This is the final product. Thank you very much to Ywigs for sending this hair. I'll make sure the hair is linked in the description box. Once again, it's human hair. We used 4 packs of 18 inches. The hair is naturally black. We didn't use no products on the hair, just her hair up front. The hair is so pretty, straight out of the package. We didn't manipulate it. We just leave it as is. If you brush it, it's gonna get bigger. If you spray water on it, it's gonna curl again. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you on my next one.